Good morning. Welcome to Spy Money. I recorded this live the other day, and a lot of people just want to watch the bot trade, and so I went ahead and recorded it live. I did cut out the longer part that took forever for it to get through the trades and so forth. So what you see is splice, but you can see the P&L over on the right side of the chart, right over here. It will show what the ongoing P&L is. It's not been touched. The only thing I did was splice out some of the waiting time where it never traded. So on the chart, you'll see it actually enter the trade, put the stop, put the profit target, and also take profit and so forth. So I'll let you go ahead and watch this video, and then I'll do some commentary throughout it. You can fast forward through it or whatever you want to do, but I've had a lot of requests that people just want to watch it trade, which to me is the same as seeing the past trades, because it doesn't. If it has a loss there, it has a loss. If it has a profit, it has a profit. But I've had a lot of requests on it, and people just wanting to watch it actually do it on its own. So through this video, the only thing that I have done, as I stated, was cut out some of the part that would take forever to see the trade. And I started the video back up right before the next trade. So there's 3 trades it took. They were all winners, and it hit the 50% goal. Once they hit the 50% goal, that's usually where I quit. Sometimes I won't. Sometimes if it's trading real good, I'll turn it on and let it run. Yesterday was an incredible day for me. I won't say how much, but it was incredible. People in my Discord know. So once you sign up, I post a lot more than what I do on YouTube, of course. And this will let you see how the bot actually interacts and so forth. So just keep watching, and again, I'll do commentary throughout. As you can see, the only thing I did was just skip through the time of it. But you can see there's no trades in here that the bot actually entered. And there's another trade getting ready to go short here, so I started to back up. there you have it. We have the 3 trades. At this point, we shut the bot off and let it wait for another day. We look for the 50% and go from there. So what do you do now? How do you get started with it? You go to SpyMoneyLLC.com. Once you go there, you want to go to the Ninja Suite at the top. Click on that, and that's going to take you to another page, and it's going to have a little video here explaining what is involved with it as far as what you get. And one thing I want people to know is the bots they're not a set it and leave it for bot. I run mine that way a lot of times, but I have parameters that I'll teach in the Discord, but I have parameters that I have and safety nets in case something does happen. There's ways that you can do it inside NinjaTrader, not the platform, but online, and you can set different things to make sure that you don't get in too bad a shape. A lot of times your internet will go out and you have PC issues and so forth, so things can happen. So I don't recommend anybody to just run it unattended. So right here are 14 agreements that you must follow and agree to before you can sign up. By agreeing to these, it's a binding contract between you and I that you have read this and you understand it and that you're going to follow it. So if you don't agree to it, don't send it. If you do agree to it, just highlight all of this, copy it, and go up to Contact Us. And you're going to have to put in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. If you don't have this, I won't send you a link. I don't call you or anything like that, but I want to make sure who you are. Also put in, you paste your link right here to show that you agree to it. You click submit, and that will come back to me. Once I get it back, then I'll send you a link. If you're approved, I don't approve everybody. But if you're approved, then I send you a link where you can join and get started with it. A lot of people ask me, how long does it take to get started? Well, it depends on the person. Some people take forever. Some people do it in an hour. So you never know. If you're familiar with NinjaTrader, it's going to be a lot quicker. If you're not, it's going to take a lot longer. And the lease is for 30 days, so it doesn't matter if you know what you're doing with it or not. It's still 30 days. So the best thing to do is get in there and study. We have a lot of videos that explain from someone that's never even heard of the name NinjaTrader to get all the way through the process. And there's videos that go step by step exactly how to do it. What you get with it there's 4 bots at the time that we use. Mainly CoasterBot is the one we use, and that's the one I use every day because it's so consistent. It does a really good job. So, but we do have Game Changer, Manowar, and Gladiator, but Coaster is mainly what I use on it. Game Changer, I'm working on something with it to make it even better than what it does now. Game Changer's not as consistent as Coaster. Indicators, the whole list of indicators, so we have more than this. I don't list them all out there anymore, but we've got more than that. Spy Money toolbar on your charts, so you can do your drawing tools and so forth. And we have our custom drawing tools as well. We've actually got 5 of them. And then frequently asked questions. Read through this before you send me any questions because it's more than likely answered right here. So once you read through this, if it's not answered, feel free to send me a message and I'll do my best to get you answered pretty quick. We do recommend 4 funded accounts. As I've said in the past, I can't keep up with all their rule changes. Some of them change weekly. I know Apex has done a complete overhaul, and I have no idea what they're doing now. All 4 of them will pay out, and it just really kind of depends on the person and how you want to trade and so forth. Click on each one of these and read through them. Figure out which one you like the best. I don't have a favorite anymore. They've changed things so much that I don't even know really what all the rules are to even try to recommend the best one. I know they all pay. I know that BluSky does get you into a real live trading account pretty quick, and I do like that. I think that's probably the best thing you can do is get into a live account. A lot of the rules I just don't agree with. I think the best way to do it is just put some money in a live account and trade it. If you have money, you can trade. If you don't, and if you do make money, you can pull it out. So that's the way I look at it. Down here, some coupons you can use to get into these. And again, they all work. They're all good. It's just a matter of which one you want. And I just don't have a favorite anymore. If you don't have a strong enough computer, we teamed up with a company that has VPS service. And if you're just going to run one bot, which is what probably most people do, I would just get this medium. It's probably the best one for you, and use it, and I think you'll do fine. If you're going to run a lot more programs and so forth, then you'd need to go something, maybe the Pro, so to help you out. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Again, just go into the Ninja Suite. You click on that, and then you have the instructions to send to me, and I'll get you started ASAP. I did a live video. Well, actually, this is the live video. But I did a live video, and I really don't understand the why so many people want to see it trade live when it's it doesn't matter if it's live or if you're just looking at the past trades, they're all the same. So, but I did it, and you can watch it and see that it actually does do what I say it does. And if you're interested, just get joined up. It's a small group. I keep it small, and not everybody is a fit for Spy Money. And if you're someone that is somewhat needy and needs your hand held and stuff, this isn't for you. This is something that, treat it like a business owner. You're going to have to jump in, you're going to have to learn things, and you're going to have to get out of your comfort zone and, trade with it. So if that fits you, then let's get joined up and get you started. Have a great day.